Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have some exciting news for this Diwali. Google is giving away free swags to everyone who joins their new 5-day generative AI intensive course. Yes, you heard it right. Not only do you get to learn the cutting edge AI skills, but there are exclusive goodies waiting for you as a part of Diwali celebration. Make sure you watch this entire video till the end because I'm going to tell you step by step how to register, participate, and claim your swag and digital badge. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. All right, let's get into the detail. If you are ever wanted to learn AI, especially how AI agents are built, this is the perfect opportunity. Google has launched a 5 days online course that is completely free, meaning you do not have to spend thousands of rupees on expensive courses. This course is for everyone, whether you are a beginner who started in AI, a college student wanting to add skills to your resume, a graduate looking for career transition, a working professional. You do not need a fancy degree or prior experience to join this. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Now let's talk about the dates. The course run from 11th November to 15th November, and the great thing, it's completely online. You can join from anywhere in the world. You do not have to travel or worry about logistics, just a laptop, internet connection, and your eagerness to learn. Last year, over 4,200 learners joined this course from all around the globe. So whether you are just starting in AI or already have some experience, this course is designed to take you from beginner to pro level in a very short time. Now, you might be thinking, do I need to know Python or advanced AI stuff to join? The answer is no. However, knowing Python will make it much easier to follow this course. And here's the best part. Google is offering a free 5-hour Python course for beginners so you can get a boost before the AI course starts. The Python course covers Python basics, common libraries used in AI, fundamental programming concepts, everything you need to know. This ensures that when the 5 days intensive begins, you will able to focus on learning AI techniques rather than struggling with programming basics. So if you are worried about your skill level, Google has made this beginner friendly while still offering advanced concepts for experienced learners. Let me break down what you will learn each day in the 5-day generative AI intensive course. The day one, you will explore the evolution of large language model LLM from transformers to techniques like fine tuning and inference acceleration. You will also learn the arts of prompt engineering, basically how to ask AI the right question to get the best result. In the day two, you will learn about the embeddings, which are like language of AI for understanding meanings in data. You will also see how vector database work, how search algorithm function, how to apply them in real world AI projects. Day 3, generative AI agents. This is where things get really exciting. You will learn how to build AI agent from scratch, understand their core components, and go through the iterative development process. On the fourth day, we will learn about domain-specific LLMs. Not all the AI models are same. Here you will explore specialized model design for specific domains. You will even get insights from researchers who build them, giving you a rare peek behind the scenes of cutting-edge AI development. Day 5th, you will learn MLOps for generative AI. On the final day, you will learn how to deploy and maintain AI models in production using MLOps practices. You will also get hands-on experience with Vertex AI tools, which are widely used in industry for building robust AI systems. And here's the really exciting part, the Capstone project. By participating in the Capstone project, you can earn KG digital batches, official credential from Google that you can showcase in your portfolio or LinkedIn profile. Receive Google Swag. Yes, actual physical merchandise, t-shirts, stickers, and other goodies which are perfect for this Diwali. Top performers get priority for premium items. Get recognized on Google social media. Your work may even get featured on Google official social media channels, giving you visibility to future employees and the tech community. So, how do you join this amazing course? It's super easy. Here's the 4 steps. Click the registration link in the video description below or search for Google Generative AI Intensive 2025 on Google. Sign up using your Google account. Fill in the basic details, your name, country, college, university, degree. You will receive a confirmation email from Google with all the course details, schedule, and login information. Once you are registered, you will start receiving daily course materials, assignments and code labs, live session invites, QA opportunities, everything right in your inbox. So, guys, this is your chance to learn AI directly from Google completely for free while also getting digital batches and Diwali swag. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button, share it with your friend, Subscribe for more updates on AI courses and freebies. The registration link is in the description. Go register now while spots are available. Grab your free swags on Diwali, develop more amazing AI skills, and boost your career with Google's official training. I will see you in the next one.